Hey guys! Okay, so we're downstairs. Kami na lang palang iniintay. And I'm vlogging while Carla is vlogging. Oh, he's studying. Ganda dito. Ah, nagkatagalog man ko. Bisaya man ko.
Buy one, get one free. 4 bottles, 50 pesos. ESL School of Art, QQ English. And we have a pretty healthy, what do you call this, Japanese visiting population here.
Traditional oshinko or a pickled. What did you This is a pickled cucumber, so we call it oshinko.
Hi! Arigatou gozaimashita!
Yeah, that's my personal favorite, the sour cream. And I think there's one with nachos. So Mikumaki is one of our, all these Asian countries that I've been to have one thing in common. It's, the whites call it the banana pancake. Could be banana roti, banana crepe,
Hamburg steak. It's really good. It's very juicy, not dry. Very peppery, but you can taste the smoky flavor in it. It's really good. Pad Thai! Woo! Maki Maki!
From Egg Cloud.
Mamatay naman siguro ta direte. Mamatay tag ginaon. Pineapples from Ormoc. Locally grown. Papa wow, so good. Woo! Mashisa!
If I could buy it.
Hopefully, fingers crossed. Ross, nakamit na kami. I look so unfresh right now kasi sobrang pangis na kami, guys. Yakanan mo. Okay, guys. Ito na my friend Ariel.
Leftover rice. Just fry it up.
Dala ko mga laptop ay nakakakainin mo. And, oh my God. Chinky Tita. Chinky Tita, you and I know. Chinky Tita. Sige, kantahan ninyo na. Okay, subscribe ninyo siya ha, pero mas tagal siya yung subscribers ako. Ayaw na lang. Kami na lang. Yan sa mga Bisaya, mga taga Cebu, taga Davao. Subscribe ninyo siya.
Always eat in Max's restaurant.
Pero okay lang ako. Yeah,
We
always.
have chicken olicat and we have new products.
She's single and ready to mingle.
Dito Basilio, he's Basil, and he's the creator of the Dito Basilio bag.
It's available at Cebu and Ariza on August.
On Kadayawan. Kadayawan.
And then, yeah, that's Vienna.
Dorothy Perkins. They're on sale until tomorrow. Yes, and you by the time ma-post siya. Expired na. Giftahan pag-post.
Useless. Okay, alam mo, lakaw na si Chinky. Bye! Ay, mag-picture sa day. Baton ka, day! I know. Bato kitipid-tipid ganun. Bye!